What's up guys, this is Ron from Ronan. So just a quick recap, we just unboxed this Wisken easy to install tempered glass. So this is for my 15 Pro Max. And then baka hindi nyo kasi napanood, so this is what you will get kapag umorder ka ng Wisken tempered glass nila na 2 pieces. So you will be having of course this box. And then meron silang installation package here na kit. Tapos meron silang installation instruction. And then, meron silang pang scrape para pag may bubbles. And then, this one, yung spare na tempered glass. So, yan, may installation na mismo yung cover kung paano gawin. And then, ito yung pinaka, what do you call this, system nila. Or, this is how you do it easily. Ito, lagay mo lang yung phone, follow mo lang, pinch, tanggal. For today's video, we will do on how to install the Wisken easy to install tempered glass on my 15 Pro Max. Quick short story time. So, malapit na yung Pasko, ang daming parties na inatindan, and ito yung aftermath ng phone ko. So, this is brand X tempered glass. Yan, makita nyo. Ang bilis niya ma-chip. Yan. So, my wife decided na why not use yung Wisken kasi subok na daw niya yon na kahit anong tama sa pader, sa table, hindi siya ganun nag-chip. Pero ito yung local, yung nabibili natin sa local market natin na tempered glass, yan, ganito yung nangyayari. Onting tama lang, nag-chip na agad. So, nung mga previous parties na umattend ako, syempre, ang saya, may games and such, napapabayaan ko yung phone ko, patong sa table and patong dyan. Ito na yung naging aftermath. So today, we decided na we will replace it with the Wisken easy to install tempered glass. So tara, samahan nyo ako. So first off, so hindi na ito yung first time na ginawa ko, no? Pero again, nakakalimot din kasi, no? So, kailangan ko mabasa yung installation process ulit. Yan, may mga steps. So, hindi ka mahihirapan. So, this is my 15 Pro Max again. Tanggalin na natin, no? Oh no. Yan ang tempered glass na luma. Look at that. So, ang bilis niya mag-chip. Everything is good. So, clean lang natin. Of course, we have this installation package. So, wag mo tatapon muna kasi meron ka pang second na pwedeng gamitin. So, yan, dalawa yan. So, meron siyang cloth. Meron siyang wet wipes. And meron siyang dry wipes. Tapos, dust absorber. Tigda dalawa naman pala. So, you have to clean your phone first. Huwag nyo munang basta-basta i-app, ilalagay or i-install yung tempered. Kasi baka may yung mga tiny pieces ng alikabok